baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause I thought
Okay, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair. Okay, so they sent me this nice glueless wig. It's pre-bleached and it's pre-plucked, so you know it's already ready to go. And it is a glueless wig, so all you have to do is cut the lace and maybe tint it to your skin tone, and then it's straight to go. It's a daily bob. It's nice, cute, and simple. It's lightweight, it's classic, and you can never go wrong with a basic bob. They also sent me this really cute goodie bag, you know what I'm saying? It came with hoop earrings, an elastic band to lay down my edges, and an edge brush. So, yeah. Let's get into the install.
you think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why, spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do.
Okay, so I'm done with my hair, and as we can see, this is completely glueless, so it does come up and down. But yeah, so this is a quick and easy glueless install or whatever. Of course, the link to everything and all of the, you know, details and stuff like that will be linked in the description box below. So if you want to get the same week as me, then feel free to go do your due diligence, Dougie. It'll be in the description box. Anyway, don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you next time I decide to do my hair. So, bye, I love you.